Let us learn to create tables from linear functions. We're going to look at the steps that we follow when we're trying to create tables from linear functions, and then we'll walk through some examples. So when we look at the steps, we want to first write the function showing the product of terms using a parenthesis, and then we're going to substitute the values in the parenthesis. So let's look at what that means. So for example, we have f of x equal to 2x. So what we're going to have now is f of x is equal to 2 parentheses x. So the x is the one that is going to keep changing. So if x equal to -2, f of x equal to 2 multiplied by -2, which is equal to 4. If x equal to -1, f of x equal to 2 multiplied by -1. This is -4, -2, so it's -4, this is -2. If x equal to 0, f of x is 2 multiplied by 0, which is 0. If x equal to 1, f of x equal to 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. And if x equal to 2, f of x equal to 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. So this is 2 here, this is 4. So we're going to rewrite this equation, this function f of x equal to x minus 3. So x equal to -5, f of x equal to -5 minus 3, which is -8. We have that. X equal to -3, f of x equal to -3 minus 3, which is -6. So we have -6 here. So we have x equal to 0. So f of x equal to 0 minus 3, which is -3. Then x equal to 2. F of x equal to 2 minus 3, which is -1. So we have -3 here, we have -1 here, and then x equal to 4. F of x equal to 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. So this is 1. So now we have to rewrite the function. So f of x equal to 4 multiplied by x minus 5. So x equal to -6, f of x equal to 4 multiplied by -6 minus 5, which is -24 minus 5, which is going to give us -29. So this is -29. X equal to -3, f of x equal to 4 multiplied by -3 minus 5, which is -12 minus 5, which is going to give us -17. X equal to 0, f of x equal to 4 multiplied by 0 minus 5, which is 0 minus 5. It's going to give us -5. X equal to 3. F of x is 4 multiplied by 3 minus 5, which is going to give us 12 minus 5, which is 7. And then x equal to 6. F of x is going to be equal to 4 multiplied by 6 minus 5, which is 24 minus 5, and that gives us 19. So now we have -17, -5, 7, and 19. Let's look at one last example. Let's rewrite the function showing the parentheses for the multiplication. We have 3 multiplied by x plus 4. So x equal to -6, f of x is going to be 3 multiplied by -6 plus 4, which is -18 plus 4, and that's going to give us -14, which is right here. X equal to -3. F of x is going to be 3 multiplied by -3 plus 4, which is -9 plus 4, and that's going to give us -5. So we have -5 here. X equal to 0. F of x is going to be 3 multiplied by 0 plus 4, which is 0 plus 4. That should give us 4. X equal to 3. F of x is 3 multiplied by 3 plus 4, which is going to give us 9 plus 4, and this is 13. X equal to 6. X equal to 5. So that should be 5. So f of x is going to be equal to 3 multiplied by 5 plus 4, which is 15 plus 4, which is 19. So this is 4, 13, and 19.